Welcome to the NIOS 319 Business Studies lesson on staffing and directing. By the end of the video, you will learn about the meaning and process of staffing, manpower planning, job analysis, recruitment, selection, placement, and induction. You will also learn the meaning, importance, and elements of directing. First up, let's talk about staffing. Staffing involves hiring, training, and developing people to do different tasks. It's like assembling a squad of skilled players who can score big points for your company. And it's not a one-time thing. Staffing is an ongoing process because your dream team needs to stay updated and ready for new challenges. Staffing is as crucial as scoring the winning goal in a match. When you have the right people for the right job, magic happens. Good staffing helps you find the perfect players. That means the right workers with the right skills at the right time. Just like you need a striker to score goals, a company needs workers with the right qualifications and experience. It also helps in improving productivity. It's like when your team practices hard and gets better, they win more games. Good staffing brings in quality workers, and with proper training, they become superheroes of productivity. So, when your team is happy, they give their best. Staffing too ensures that employees are satisfied, and with training and development, they feel like they can conquer any challenge. Alright, let's talk about directing. Imagine you're the captain of your dream team, leading them to victory. Well, that's exactly what directing is all about, being an effective leader and guiding your team towards success. Directing is the art of giving instructions, making decisions, and inspiring your team to reach their full potential. It's like motivating your players to give their best on the field and score those winning goals. Now, why is directing so crucial? It is like having a superstar coach who brings out the best in every player. Giving clear instructions brings great results. Just like a coach strategizes game plans, directing ensures that your team knows what to do and how to do it. It's like a playbook for success. Just like a coach spots the potential in players, directing helps identify talented individuals and provides them with opportunities to shine. Directing also promotes harmony among team members, just like how a united team performs better on the field. Note that staffing begins with manpower planning, where we estimate how many skilled players we need in our organization. We use job analysis and workload analysis to figure out the perfect team size. Now, let's talk about recruitment. Imagine you're opening a new restaurant, and you need the best team of chefs, managers, and accountants to make it a success. You can find candidates through newspaper ads, employment exchanges, and even by referrals from friends and family. But wait, we also have internal and external sources of recruitment. Internal sources are like promoting players from your own team, while external sources are like scouting new talents from outside. Now, let's move on to selection. This is like choosing the best players for your dream team. We use interviews, reference checks, and even medical exams to make sure we get the best fit. Next up is induction. It's like giving your new players a warm welcome and showing them around the game world. They get to know the game's rules, their roles, and their awesome teammates. But, you know what makes your dream team even better? Training and development. Just like leveling up your characters in the game, training helps your employees learn new skills and become superstars. Also, we can't forget about performance appraisal. It's like checking the achievements of your players after each level of the game. We evaluate their performance and give them feedback to become even better. Of course, we need to reward our amazing players, right? Compensation is like giving them extra points, rewards, and bonuses for their hard work and dedication. Finally, we have promotion and transfer. It's like promoting your star players to higher levels in the game and transferring them to different challenges. Now let us focus on two crucial aspects, staffing and directing. First, imagine you're the manager of a fantastic company, and you need a dream team to achieve your goals. That's where staffing comes into play. Staffing involves finding the right people for the right positions. You need employees with the right skills and talents to do the job well. Think of it as assembling your Avengers team. Now that you've got your dream team, it's time to lead them towards success. That's where directing comes in, and it's like being the captain of a ship. Directing involves giving instructions, guiding, supervising, and inspiring your team to achieve the company's goals. It's like steering the ship in the right direction to reach the treasure island. But directing also involves communication. It is about sharing ideas, thoughts, and knowledge. Make sure you communicate clearly and listen to your team to understand their needs and concerns. Then, supervision ensures that everyone is on track and following the plan. If anyone needs help, provide guidance, and always be there to support your team like a superhero mentor. Now, even the best teams need a little boost to keep going strong. Motivation is like adding rocket fuel to your team's energy. Recognize their efforts, provide incentives, and create a positive work environment. Your team will become a force to be reckoned with. Finally, the most important quality of a great manager is leadership. Leadership is about inspiring and guiding your team towards success. Be fair, honest, and lead by example. Your team will not only respect you but also be inspired to give their best shot. That concludes our lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.